How to fix Discord no root error. Here are some useful methods that may help fix Discord no root error. 1. Try restarting your PC. 2. Restart your router or modem, if any. Ensure your connectivity is fast enough. If not, Google some tips regarding how to speed up internet speed/connection. 3. Disconnect any VPN or use some VPN with UDP, user datagram protocol only. 4. Disable any malware or antivirus or firewall temporarily. 5. Run IP protocol configuration/flushns command, admin mode, to reset system DNS. Plan B, flush your Windows DNS by running these commands as admin, IP protocol configuration/release IP protocol configuration/flushns IP protocol configuration/renew 6. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, and reinstall Discord later. Plan B, remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, third-party firewall/antivirus or whitelist Discord. Note, restart your computer. When the uninstallation of third-party antivirus program is done. 8. Check if Discord has been blocked by your network admin. 9. Change the server's voice region in Discord. 10. Disable QoS, enable quality of service high packet priority, from voice and video settings in Discord.